I will show you a little experiment. This is a syringe, and what we're gonna do with this is we need to pull out the needle for safety purposes. And now that we're done, we need to pull this out, put the mini marshmallow in, and guess what will happen? We need to put our finger in here, and as you can see, it is shrinking. This is Boyle's law. Earlier, I showed to you how the marshmallow gets bigger as I pull out the plunger. Why? It's because the pressure inside the syringe is decreasing. While when I push the plunger, the marshmallow gets smaller because the pressure inside the syringe is increasing. But what exactly is Boyle's law?
Boyle's law states that when the pressure is low, the volume is high, and when the pressure is high, the volume is low. This law was named after Robert Boyle, wherein he trapped a fixed amount of air in the J-tube. He changed the pressure and controlled the temperature, and then he observed its effect to the volume of the air inside the J-tube. The variables involved are pressure, volume, temperature, and amount of gas. The variable are constant is temperature and amount of gas.
Ano nga ba ang formula ng Boyle's law? P sub 1 times B sub 1 equal P sub 2 times B sub 2. P sub 1 equal initial pressure exerted by the gas. B sub 1 equal initial volume occupied by a gas. P sub 2 equal final pressure exerted by the gas. B sub 2 equal final volume occupied by a gas.